2, 1. Okay, good luck guys. Okay, group number 2, web presentation. Okay, can start now.
So, good morning to everyone. We are from Group 2. So, now we are taking PaperKit 2 as our project topic. So now I will show our initial template first. So, can you see my screen?
Okay.
Yes, this is HTML. This is our initial template. So as you can see, the header, the web content, and there is a lot of basic elements after the web content. And also after that, three preview pages, which is example also for the user provided. So one is view register page, this is a register page, and then another is landing page, and then another is profile page. So after that is the support part, and after that is the footer. So now I will highlight our members module. So as we have 5 members, so we have 5 modules. The first one is in the basic elements. We create the CRUD for this image, and then after that, the second module is in the landing page. In the landing page is about the product, the second module, and the third module is about let's talk about us, CRUD part, and then the fourth module is keep in touch part, the message part, and then after that is about the profile page. This is the profile page. We create the CRUD for the follower and following. So this is our initial template. So we will change it to PHP now. So just go to PHP. So as you can see, it is same with the template also, but we change it. We change the button, login and register button at the corner. So for the user to easy to log in or register, and we change the background, and also the header and content. We set it to the PHP table in the web contents. So web title, header, topic, and content. After that, we just put the basic elements. Just now, there is a lot of basic elements into a page. So it's easy for user to view the basic elements in a page only. So after that, landing page, profile page, and also keep in touch part in the main index, because it can let user to send message to the admin easily. So after it is support part, and so we create the PHP for this part, for all of this part. So now I will show the register part first. So just click register. So this is our register page. So before that, we can see the table of user. There is only 2 admin and 2 user. So Henry Ford and James Victor are admins. Taylor Ta and Matthew Ng are users. So there is not my name inside the table. So I will register as a user for my email. So password 169, and then I select my user type, user, and my name, and then country, and then occupation as a student. So this is my register. So I register. So the localhost, the system you say user is successfully registered. So okay, so it will directly to the login page. So after that, you can see the table refresh. My name, my password, my user type, and my country, my occupation will inside the table. So I insert the Gmail, my Gmail again. So my password 169, and you can see it. So login. So welcome to Paperclip, and this is the username. So this is the user index. It will directly to your account. So it will be same with the index just now. So this is the register part. So next, I will show the login. Because my CRUD part is on admin page, so I will go to the admin page again. So I will log in again, and then show the login. There is a login function again. So this is login, and this is the main index first before not login. So after that, I will go to pages, but the local host will say, please log on before using. So it will directly to the login page. So I will enter the admin. This is the admin Gmail, Henry Ford. So as usual, Henry Ford forgot password. Original password is 444, but maybe he insert 123 and login failed. So he forgot the password. So he can go to the forgot password. So enter the email again. So name. So original is 444 password, but he is forgot. So he just insert 123. So change password. So password is successfully changed. So it will directly to the login page again. So you enter again. With the new password, and then sign in. And same with the this admin name. So directly to the admin index. So the difference among the admin index and user index is admin index. This will be said admin edit examples. So the buttons all of this is edit. So you can see all of this is edit. And the message board is view message board only. There is not send message to others. So as you can see, this is the user index. View, all of this is view, and this is the examples of pages. So insert message. So and then this is the difference between user and admin, user index, admin index. So I will go to my CRUD part now. So my CRUD part is edit profile page and edit for the user. So let it see one by one. So as this admin, so she can view the follower, and then you can see the follower profile page, profile picture, name, occupation, phone number, email, and country. So after that, can click back to the menu to do another part, which is insert follower. As you can see, we can upload the profile picture. Let me select the profile picture, Eva, for the follower. As you can see, you can preview the picture before you upload it. So please make sure, double confirm that the picture you are the right picture. So insert the name, occupation, number, So email, and country. So original, it come from she come from Russia, so we just insert, and then follower is successfully inserted. So as you can see, it will go to the view again and see, and you can see Eva is in the follower list. So this is admin page, but if you go to the user index also, Eva also appear in the user example profile page. So next, after insert, back to the menu again and try to update follower. So let us update Eva, and then choose Eva name will not change. So picture, choose a new profile picture, and then actress, phone number, change it. So email maybe Eva1234 yahoo.com. So everything is changed. So update, follower is successfully updated. So as you can see, Eva changed the picture and change the occupation, phone number, email, and country. So it is same with the user page also. Eva changed it. So this is the update part for follower. So back to the menu again. Delete the follower. So we just click delete. So follower is successfully deleted. So you can see, you can back to the menu again, and you can view the follower again for the admin. This for the admin. Eva is also disappeared. For the user page also, Eva is disappeared. So next, back to the menu again, because this follower also following. So view following is same with the follower, but different types of user and different types of follower and following. Emmy, Gavin. Next, back to the menu again. Insert. So you need to click the following, insert the following. Choose file, choose the profile picture, and read programmer, phone number, email, country. So just insert. The following is successfully inserted. So you can see in the following, Eric is appear in the following. So user page also, as you refresh in the following, Eric appear in the following. So after that, back to the menu again, update the following, update the picture, occupation, photographer, phone number. So Eric 1234 at yahoo.com. So country is come from Russia. Okay, just update. Following is successfully updated. So as you can see, Eric changed the picture and occupation, phone number, email, and country. So in the user page also, as you can see, following, Eric changed it. So after that, this for update, back to the menu again for the following, delete following. So as you can see, delete following is successfully deleted. So the Eric is deleted. For the user in user page also, Eric is deleted. So this is my part for CRUD part. So next, the team member only will will present their her CRUD part. Only.
Yes. Can I share my screen?
Okay.
Okay.
I'm sorry, can you see my screen now?
Mm-hmm.
So this is
But too
the
small. But too small. Can you make it zooming?
So this is the sorry.
Okay, now can see your screen, but I say it's too small. So now can okay lah. Okay.
Okay. Never mind. So I start my presentation on the edit landing page on admin part.
Landing page.
Yes.
Okay.
So my part is on my
Change
product,
volume.
the product part. So to edit the product, I have to click the manage details. This is here to update the product details. So I start first with the insert. So to insert the product, I have to enter the product name. So for example, product 1, the product description like blah, blah, blah. Then I edit. So it shows insert successfully. So as we can see here, the product 1 is updated. And after that, I also can delete the product from here, the product 8. So I delete it. It will be deleted. And go back to the update page. The product is deleted. For insert, I can change here like new product. Then the product description. Then the product for, like I can change to administration. Then click update change. As you can see, the product is updated. The product title, the product description, and the administration here. That's all from me. Sorry, can you hear me?
Can manage, can see again the detail again, manage details.
Yes.
Right.
This is the manage details
Mhm.
to update the details from the previous page.
The product 1, product 2, product 3. What the purpose? Product 1, product 2, product 3, product 4. For okay.
The like.
Oh, that one. Product 1, product 2, product 3, product 4.
Yes.
How do
Okay.
if I want to adjust only the beautifying gallery, which is product number 1, how do I change it?
Beautify.
I have to choose here, like
Oh,
change to business
Okay,
and update change.
update here.
okay. Then try again. See the. It's just
Okay.
changing the title. But
No,
what?
the title and the description only.
Okay, how do I change the description?
It cannot change like that because I didn't do the for the product. It's only
Why like
insert
that?
and
Why? If I want insert new,
New
sorry?
can.
if insert new, try insert new again.
Yeah, I can insert
Okay.
the new product.
I think the arrangement of data may not be very significant. Maybe you insert the product, everything, then you can list. So meaning by this, you can only list up to 4 products only. Cannot add more than 4 products. Is it?
Yeah.
Cannot exceed more lah.
Yes.
Okay, if I want to exceed more,
it cannot here because I have to maybe make
Yeah,
another
just
one
pick.
for insert
Mm.
the product.
Okay, I think there are some limitation. Okay, alright, it's okay. Continue.
Okay, so my part is finished. Then I will pass to Kosini for next presentation.
Okay. Good job.
Okay, anyone else? Finish?
Okay, Toto, can you see my screen?
Okay, alright.
Okay, so I will show the original template before I start. So this is the template, and my part is edit the image in this area, and so I add one view image button at the bottom, and when the user click the button, so they will move to a page to insert image, or if they want to update the image or delete image, they can edit here. So if I want to insert a picture, so I choose a picture from the PaperKit file. And if I choose this picture and I name it Bruno and insert, so the color is successfully insert. And now you can see the image is shown at the here, and at the bottom is also display the image. And if I move back to the edit page, edit element page, so the image will also display here. So now here got 4 picture. And if I want to update the picture, so maybe I change the picture to this one, and I can also change the name also if I want. And now the template say is successfully insert it update. So now the image changed to Daniel. And if I refresh again, and it show Daniel again. If I did not enter any picture here, so if I enter update, the project will ask me to insert the image, and so if I insert an image but the comment I leave blank, so the update will also say I need to fill in this part. So these 2 areas must be have the input. And if I want to delete the image, and now the image is deleted. And here become 3 image again. And at the image content part, so here is also 3 image. And for the user part, if I insert the image, and if I move to the user part. So here is the user part. I already logged in before, and I can see here, and I refresh. And now the image I update will show from the user version. I think that's all for my part. So any question Dr. want to ask?
So the maximum pictures you can add up to 3, correct?
Sorry?
The maximum pictures you can add is up to 3. Can you add more than 3 pictures?
Yes, here I can edit as much as I want.
Is it? Okay, yeah, okay.
You want to see for some more picture?
Okay, right. And the pictures is loaded where?
Although,
The pictures is
Sorry?
in inside your web server or is it somewhere else?
Yes, web server.
Server. So if I want to upload the picture from somewhere else,
So the function does not, this function does not support.
not support. Okay, why like that?
Yes.
so your picture actually already you already
Yeah, it's already there lah.
already there lah. Right.
On
You
this.
already prepare your picture in the folder, right?
Yes.
Okay.
If I want to insert someone else's picture, I can maybe set to the folder first, then I can update here.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, right, next.
So next.
Doctor can see my screen.
Yes.
I'm Lee and I'm doing the part for edit landing page and this part, let's talk about us. We view the team member, delete team member, update team member, and insert team member. First, view team member. So we can see the team member that is added before and click back to menu and we can insert new team member. We choose file from the we choose image from the file like and enter the name and the position and add some description and insert. And the system will say team member is successfully inserted. And we can see a new team member. For the user page, I refresh it. The new team member will also appear. So next, back to menu. Update team member. If we can choose to update one of the member, we can update the image, the position, and some description. And update. The system will say team member is successfully updated. Then we can see that the profile picture of the team member and the description has been updated. So next, back to menu. Delete team member. We can choose any of the team member to delete it. And the system will say team member is successfully deleted. And the user page. Also, the team member is also deleted. That's all from me.
Mhm.
And next, I will pass to Srivani to demo about her part.
Sorry, doctor. Just now, Srivani talked to me. She can access the meeting because her laptop is hanging. So how we can do now?
Anyone else can do first?
So, but she need to present her part for her mark.
I know. I mean, while waiting for her, I think any of your team members can do the next.
She say her laptop is hanging. Mouse cannot move and
Okay.
keyboard cannot. Yes. So she cannot restart again now. So
Right.
I
So
don't know.
while waiting for that, I think we will do a comment. Okay then. Okay. How about Simon? I think there's a few other names here. Simon, is not your team, right?
No.
Oh no,
Other group.
the one
Okay.
next group
Next group,
actually for
okay, okay.
Geraldine join. Actually for the
Alright.
next group.
Okay, all right. So firstly, Chong, can you show back your interface again?
Okay.
If you understand clearly about following, how does following works inside a Facebook or inside a Twitter, inside a LinkedIn? How following works?
Following is, but for this we are just an example for the paper kit because paper kit is a website to show example pages for user only. So we can edit the follower and following.
Right. So basically the functionality is working, but the concept is not the same. So if you are trying to implement something and you have the term or keyword following, at this moment you are showing all the admin side. So means you only configure the following. So the user cannot follow themselves. Is that correct?
Yes, but this is just an example page.
Okay. And then on top of that, when you are dealing with the login page, the login page is supposed to have like admin page and also the user page. Okay. Did you guys implement that?
Login page?
Login page. Yeah.
Yes, login page.
Login page supposed to differentiate which user is which user. Okay, for example, admin, so they can actually manage all the admin. User page, they will manage the user side. So when they are looking at the follower or whoever they are looking into their keen on, so basically if the follower is there, they have to follow that particular person. So they just click a button, they follow, and the name will automatically goes inside the table, right? Or inside the database, right?
But the follower is not user. The follower is just an example in
Okay,
the
I know, but
pages.
you might have a user or you have somebody who are inside Eva or whatever. So another user are following this particular user. So maybe you can actually try to create or demonstrate how you develop that. You understand what I mean, right?
No.
Huh? Do you?
No.
You don't understand? So usually when a user page, for example, like you are using Facebook, so or using Twitter. Okay, so when you are scrolling users information or whatever history or whatever story that they are posting, okay, and you like to hear more from him, so you can actually see all the story about this particular person, and I want to know more about this. So you click the button follow, then you see more about them, correct?
Okay. Yes.
Understand, right? So that is the concept is follow and following. Okay, but right now, admin is doing everything. So as if like the user has no permission to go to whichever users or whichever they want to follow. Correct or not?
Yes.
Okay, do you think that is logic?
Yes.
Is it logic?
Yes.
Logic or not logic?
Logic.
Logic on my side or on your side?
or on your side.
Okay, so that is something that when you are dealing with your apps, something like what you did just now, then what you did or the concept that you did might not fit. Okay, so why am I asking this to you? Why
Because
am I asking this to you?
the functionality is not in the right concept.
Yes. So the thing is, when you are doing something, it's just not something that you like to do, and you just simply do it, and it's not usable. Can user use this?
User can view the
They
different
can only view, but they cannot see, cannot do anything. They can
cannot
only
do
see those
view only.
whoever that you are you're setting up. Okay, if just say I just log in, I don't want to see, I don't want to see Amy. Okay, what happened?
Oh, so okay.
Okay,
Yes.
because I log on to this page. Okay, I don't want to see Amy, I don't want to see Gavin, I want to see yours, Chong. Okay, how do I do that?
Tick and tick.
So, oh yes.
Cannot
Okay.
untick, right?
Yeah. Yes, can.
Okay, right. Okay,
But
so how
there's
about follow?
no.
Follow also the same. Following is also the same. Following is what? Following is somebody that you follow.
Yes.
Follow is somebody that right now that you are listing who wants to you to follow. Follow and follow is different. Okay, if just say that I untick flute, okay,
Yes.
right now it's untick. So right now you are in which status? Follow or following? I also don't know. Not very clear, right? Okay, so there's a tick here lah. Okay, all right. So it's something like okay, there's like okay, you can see like this. There's something like this, right? Okay, it means that you are currently follow. Okay, when I tick this follow, when I tick follow means this detail supposed to goes to following, correct?
Mm.
Huh? Okay, you just say this is follow, right? I want to follow bank. So bank informations will no longer be here. You will transfer to following.
Oh.
Is
Okay.
it
Oh,
correct or
yes.
not? So means whoever you haven't follow yet, it will be untick status. So when I tick, so it goes to the other side. So means, for example, if I go to follow now,
Oh.
click follow, click follow,
Click
click follow,
follow.
and then click follow here.
Oh, click
Okay,
following.
when you follow, name bank supposed to be here. Gavin supposed to be in following because I haven't tick yet. Correct or not?
Yes.
Both of this is like this is another table, this is another table.
Yes.
Okay, so what is it for?
So so I need to put it in the same table.
Supposed to be under the same table. So what makes the difference?
Status follow and following.
You may have a status follow or
And
not follow.
following.
So both of these supposed to be coming from the same table. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Understand.
Okay. All right. Okay. If you see, okay, let's just say you update one of the status, go to admin page.
Admin page. This user page.
Okay.
Admin
Go to
page.
admin page. Okay. You update.
You update follower.
Okay. All right. So right now, okay, you only have who is this? Go up. Go up, up, up. Scroll up.
Up.
Okay. Basically, you're doing this page for only for Jane or
No,
for anybody else?
because it's an example only. So one example is enough. So is one profile page example is
You
enough.
just say right now I have another person. How do I differentiate this follower and with this follower? You just say I have this follower A. I mean this is the like Jane. There's another B. Okay, and I want to know who is the follower for A. I want to know who is the follower for Jane. Who is the follower for B? How do I know this? How do I differentiate this? You understand or not?
A little bit.
Huh? You little bit. Okay, what do you don't understand?
Why have so much of user?
Okay, because you have different follower, right? If you just say like you have Twitter, you are not following one person, right? You are following so many person, right? This is another person, this is another person, this is another person. For example, I have a Twitter. Okay, you follow me.
Okay.
Okay, and you have your lecturer. Okay, Norita. Okay, you also follow her. Okay, I want to know how many follower I do have. How many follower does your lecturer have? So can I find this information?
Oh. Yes. Oh, cannot.
Cannot, right? So
Yes.
how do I do that if I want to? Just say right now, if you want to sell this to another person, just say, I want to create these apps for me to do who is interested in following who and what. Okay, and I want to sell this to somebody else. Do you think people will buy for this?
Oh, okay.
Do you
Yes,
think people will buy or
understand.
not?
Oh, for my duplicate, no,
Yeah, hey, why?
because less functionality.
Okay, so there are still something which is missing, so you don't understand the concept, right?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Okay, so how's Rivani? Is she coming in?
Uh,
Shivani.
she is out. I think.
Okay,
She says she cannot hear anything in the meeting,
okay,
so I don't know how to do now.
okay. Then I think she can do the presentation later. So if you don't present, then we cannot give marks.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Okay, all right then.
Oh,
So,
she got the computer hang eh?
Yes.
Dia punya komputer hang. Oh, tak boleh. Saya baru tengok dia punya message. Tak apalah.
okay. So, all right. So, any comments from your side?
So far, okay. So far, actually, the data manipulation you did actually, the functionality is okay, but the concept of the bootstrap actually, something you can missing lah. Okay, because you kena tengok jugalah dia punya concept of the bootstrap yang you dapat tu macam mana. So bila sekomen macam ni pun, saya pun baru tengok, sebabnya you buat Facebook, so dia ada follower dengan following semua tu kan. So the concept tu, sebab kita punya template tu memang konsep dia untuk yang tu. Jadi you punya functionality tu tak ada masalah untuk group tu jadi. Tapi dari segi the differentiate of user level tu yang jadi salah.
So sometimes when you want to develop something, a customer wants something, so you need to understand what is that template is all about. So once you understand the template, then you modify accordingly. Okay, the same thing also like Chong Hong, when she wants to add another title, you cannot add. Just say that I want to add business, this. I have more than 3, cannot really. So I mean, this kind of limitation is actually not good. So that's where you guys need to improve on that. So you need to make sure that you are able to do it. All right, I think Srivani managed to come in already. Okay, Srivani, are you able to do a presentation?
She says she cannot hear Sir say.
Oh, they cannot hear.
She cannot hear. She just in the meeting but cannot hear anything.
But so far, she done?
Yes, she done.
Okay. Oh, okay, she done. So all maybe you already compile the project actually for her part?
Yes.
Okay lah. So maybe sir we let she present later on only for
right.
her part lah.
Okay. Right.
Okay, thank you for you all.
Thank you, doctor.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Excuse me, doctor.
Srivani.
Yes. Sorry, doctor. Just now I can't continue because of the problem. My laptop is hanging. Can I present now?
Can if you want.
You want to present? Are you ready? Okay. So if you think you okay, you can proceed. Then you can proceed. If you think you cannot okay, so we let you present later. So we give you time. So it up to you. If you want to proceed, yes. Much better lah.
I try.
Okay.
So let me share my screen first.
So next group,
Okay, the next group can be standby lah.
next group just standby lah. So we have 5. Group number 3. Hmm. Okay.
Okay, so meanwhile then, I'm going to assign to another breakout session, right? So for this on the group number 3. Okay, so hang on, let me just check your name, then you will start and all. Okay, just give me a second, yeah. So for the group number 3, right? Okay, Shrivani, okay.
Doctor, can doctor see my screen?
Can.
Alright. Okay, so my part in this project are more to use. So this is the user page. So the pages I created for this program is user index page, insert message, update message, delete message, and also view message. And also I make some changes in registration and login for users. So in this is as a main page for users. So here is the option for user to register and login. So first we go with register.
Okay. Okay, Shrivani, you okay?
It's still loading.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so this is the register page for users. So for now, I register myself as a user. For the user tag, I select user, name put Srivani, country Malaysia, occupation as a student. So once I click register, so it will pop up the message user is successfully registered, and then direct to message page. So this is the message board page. Here is the options for user to view, insert, update and delete message. So first we insert a new message here.
This is
So
admin
once
view or
I
user
click,
view?
yes.
This is admin view. This is admin view or your user view?
User view.
User view, okay.
So, alright. So once I click in insert message, so this one move to the insert page. So here user can enter their message, name, email address. So for example, first message, and then click insert message. Alright. So the system will pop up successfully send message, and then direct to view message page. So here we can read the message. Alright, so now if I want to update the message back to the message board page, choose option update, update message, and then here I can update my message.
We can see, Srivani,
So sorry, doctor.
we cannot see what you did actually.
Cannot
So,
see.
from our side, we just see your message page, but your message page, but oh,
Okay, alright. So far, I think so far so good, right? So I think you guys managed to do it, all the crude everything, and managed to implement this. I think maybe the overall concepts of using the template is not so clear. So you just use whatever there is and you just implement it. But yeah, of course, when you are dealing with SIPA or or whatever template they want to use, you really need to understand what is the template is all about before attempting doing whatever, right? So I think that is something that is the weakness that you have. Okay, I think other than that, everything is fine. The functionality, everything is working fine. I think you guys did a good well. But the only thing, the concept of using the template itself, you guys are a bit blurry. Okay, got it. So I think apart from that, everything for me, okay. Okay, right. Thank you so much.
Doctor, thank you,
okay.
sir.
I think we proceed with group number 3.
Sorry.
Go.
Yeah, Shri.
Srivani.
Sorry, doctor. Taking your time.
Okay.
Okay, no
I'm
worries.
really sorry.
No worries, no worries. Everything should be okay. Okay, it happens sometimes. We can't expect everything perfect all the time. Okay, all right. Take care, Shrivani.
Thanks, doctor. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, doctor.
All right. Okay. Okay. Bye bye.
Okay. So next group. Group number 3. Group number 3. Eng Meng Hui, Kim Jung Ki, Kyu Jung Ki, Lim Ching Ho. Semua ada ke? Simon. So I think breakout room, right?
Okay, so I already bring them back to the main room. Okay, so I think everybody's ready now.
Okay. Okay, Simon. Okay. Okay. So all your members here, right? Okay. Okay. So you can start lah.
Can you hear my voice?
Yes, very clear, loud and clear.
Okay. Good morning, Dr. Shet and Dr. Anita. We are from Group 3, and I am the leader for Group 3, Eng Mei Hui. So my team members are Kyushaki.
Hi, Doctor. I am Kyusaki.
Lim Ching Ting.
Hi, Doctor.
Eng Shu-yu. Hi, Doctor. And Simon.
Hello, good morning, Miss Elsa.
Hello.
Okay, good morning.
So now I will share my screen to show our initial template. Can you see my screen?
Yes, we can see.
Okay, so this is our initial template, BizLand. Okay, we see portfolio. Okay, so this part is in charge by Kyushaki. Next, our hardworking team. This is my part. Check our pricing is Lim Ching Ting part. Okay. Then this frequently asked question is Eng Shu-yu part. And then lastly, contact us is in charge by Simon. Okay. For the login and registration is my part. And the forgot password, I work it together with Simon. Okay, now I will start my presentation. Okay. Oh, this one, we also use this page for our project. This is in a page of the initial template. Now I'll start my presentation. This is our website. So first we go to login page first. Register. Okay, now gmail.com. Okay, password 123. 123. And this security question is for the forgot password. We will show it later. When sign up. Okay, register successfully. So we go back to the Navicat. Okay, refresh. Eng Mei Ying. Okay, successfully inserted. So if we register here, this is for user only. So for the admin, we need to log into admin page. Then we can add a new account. So I will show you later. Now we log in first. Try to log in first. Mayin, gmail.com. Password 123. Okay. Sign in successfully. Okay, now we log out first. We try forgot password. Okay. Mayin, gmail.com. We need to enter our email first. Submit. Okay. Now we need to answer our security question. So only one option here. Web programming. Okay. So now we can reset the password. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reset password. Okay, your new password has been updated. Okay, let us check now. Just now I set my password is 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I reset my password become 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let us proceed. We go to admin page. 111. So this is our admin page. Here, I will use this page to log into user.
Yes.
Name gmail.com 1234 sign in. Don't save. So any change I will show here. This is admin page. Now we can add a new account for admin here. A new account. Administrator 003 or admin 004 gmail.com. Password 123. 123. This one. Submit. Okay, add successfully. Now we go back to Navigate. Just now we add admin 004. Okay, add successfully. Now we go back. Okay. So I will pass to Kyoshiki to continue her part.
Sure. So let me share my on screen.
Okay.
Okay. You can see it now? Is it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So since, or how do I hide this bar? Okay. Wait. So since Mei Hui already done the login, so I will skip that. To clearly differentiate the admin side and user side, I will use both Chrome and Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge, I already logged in as a user. Okay. And Chrome, I log in as an admin. You can see we have slightly different button extra over here for the admin side. We'll figure out later. So now let's see about the user side. So my session is portfolio. So for your information, the concept of our website is a photograph team. We are all photographers, so we can put our portfolio on our website. So we can display and make an exhibition for this photo from the customer. So here we have the portfolio and we have the category wedding. You can see only the wedding photo and you can see only the family photo, or you want to see all together. So, okay, you see this photo, then you want to clearly see it, you can magnify it. So this is like what basically user can do in their user view. So let's say there are a restaurant want to buy our template. So they want to change this portfolio section to their menu section. So they can change this to, let's say, their restaurant name and check our menu. So here is our menu section. So we can save and you can see the title details is already updated. And this has become the restaurant and check out menu. So if the restaurant change this, then they can replace the photos by some beautiful dishes picture. So we also check the user side. So this one also changed. Okay, so now we go back to the admin. We want to add some photo. So now we still stick to the photograph team. So I just add this. Okay, I add this very beautiful picture. So I randomly give some. And this one is like sunflower, just give a name. Okay, so it's under category family. So I choose family and click upload. So you can see that the photo is uploaded under, okay, it's not obvious, but wedding and family under family categories. Now we check back to the user side. Sam is under a family, so you can also magnify it. Okay, let's just add one more picture under wedding. This one. Sorry. So just give it an random description. Okay, so we set it family first. Okay. So we can see that it is not under wedding because the category is set under the family. So we just edit it and make it correct under the wedding. So from here, you can see it's under the wedding. Let's just check through the user side. She's here, the girl is here, and it's under the wedding and family. So you also can, okay, back to the admin. You also can change the title like 1, 2, 3, and like also here, you update it. So we can see the title and the description is changed, and also from the user side. Okay, so when we magnify it, make it bigger, so we can see the picture in bigger size and its title. So I make this edit title and or the CRUD for the picture. So I think this is all for my part. I'll pass to the next person.
Thank you, Kushaki. Okay, I'll share my screen. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So this is my partner, our hardworking team. So we can edit the title also, just like Kushaki showed just now. Okay, team, maybe Jaja. Okay, our hardworking and creative team. Then just randomly 1, 2, 3, save. Title details is successfully updated. Okay. Okay, we can see here our hardworking and creative team. Now we go to the user side. Okay, refresh. Okay, it changed already. Now we go back. We change it back. Creative team. Save. Okay. Then we go to user side. Refresh. Yeah, it changed back. Okay, now admin side. We try to build the team. Okay, here is the list for the team members. So we have 5 team members here. Okay, we can just straight away just insert a new member here. So it is very convenient. Okay, enter first name. Okay, random. And then enter. Playing gmail.com. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Facebook link, Instagram link. I just skip it. It's a profile picture. I want to insert my sister picture, but I scared she beat me. So I just insert my cat picture. DOB. Select school, score computing. Okay. Submit. Got. Okay, email already exists. Never mind, we try again. One, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, add successfully. Now it appears here. So we go to user side and see what happened. Okay. A new team member is here. Okay, now we try to update the pictures. Okay, hamburger. Upload. Okay. Update successfully. Okay. Go back to user side. Okay. Pictures update already. We go back and we try to delete it. Okay. Okay, it deleted. So go back to user side. Okay. Now it's gone. Okay. Now we go back to user side. Back. Admin side, sorry. So I think that's all. For here, we can just go to their Facebook page, Instagram page, and WhatsApp them. And this one we can just straight away email them. So this is all for my part. Next, I will pass to Lim Chin to continue the pricing part.
Okay, thank you, Mei Hui. So now I share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Oh, okay, so this is the pricing section. So we can also edit the description here, edit title. So maybe I put some. So successfully updated. Yeah, so you can see here already changed. Then this is the user side. Here also updated. And then now this is the admin side, so they can insert the pricing. So just simply maybe and then successfully inserted. So it will show here. Same goes to the user side. We also display here. And then they can edit by clicking this button. So it will show this message. Yeah, so successfully updated. User side also. Then we can delete this straight away. So no more. And then now they can view the booking list. So from here we can insert the booking. Submit. And then we can see here the booking just now I insert for this one. So we can update. Maybe change to 23 and then yeah, already updated. So this one is the admin side. Oh, I forgot to delete. Okay. So this one is the admin side. So now for the user side, they can straight away click the book now button. This one is because they have selected the basic one to book, so it will only show one option for them. And then enter the name, phone number,
the date. So they can view the booking they have made just now. Then I think that's all.
Okay. Anybody else?
Okay, next.
Done?
Simon ke?
Simon?
Oh,
You done?
next is Shu Yu.
Oh, sure.
Right. How is it? Still
Okay.
loading, is it?
Tengok sekejap
Okay. Can you hear my sound?
Yes.
Right.
On my part is then we can edit the title. Click here. Then we change the title and description. Then we click save. So it show a successful update. So we can see it here. The title and tag is already updated. Okay, next we add a new ask question. Click edit button. In this page is show all the question and answer. So we can add a new question at click this button, a new button. So we add new question. Click submit. Successful add. So we can see the new question at here. At the home page is same. We can see the new question at here. Then we update the question. Click update button. Then change the question. Click submit. It say update successful. So at here we can see the question is already updated at the home page is same. It's already updated here.
Okay.
Then for the delete, we click delete. Will show a message as we sure confirm or not want to delete the question. If we click OK, so it will disappear at here. It's a same. Same is not at here. That's all my part.
Okay.
Hello, Miss Sir, and
Right.
I'm Simon, and I will
Okay,
be
Simon.
presenting my part. Let me share my screen.
Okay, Simon.
Can you see that?
Yes, Simon.
Yeah. Okay.
Yep.
All right. Okay. I will be presenting about the contact us and also the leave us a message. And let's go to this one is admin page, and this one is user. Okay, let's go to the admin. We want to update the contact description here. Want to update it, you just press the pen here. You can update it here. 1, 2, 3, this one, for example, I want to change to Unimas, and this one change to Sarawak. Update. Okay, let's go to the user side. Okay, refresh. Now we can see the text has been updated, and also the map here. This map will be changed based on this one. So when the admin update the address here, this also will be changed. And this one you can drag and use this as usual, view large map, or you can even find the direction and so on. Okay. Now I'm going to present the send message part. This one will be done by user, send message. So the create function will be done by user. For example, I want to write my own name, Simon at 3. Right now the subject and the message, send message. Okay, the message has been sent successfully. Okay, now let's go to the admin. Okay, there's a button for the admin. You can view the message from user. So this is the view message page. This one is the latest one that has been updated just now, sent by user. And this one I made it before this as a template, as a demonstration here. Okay, so there's a few functions in this page. First one, you can search those message by using the name or the date. Okay, let's see the name first. If I use the name, copy paste here, search. Here is the result. All the sender by Simon will be displayed here. Okay, all the details, all the column will be shown, will be displayed. You can delete this one by one. You can delete one by one. This is record. Okay. Let me delete that. Let me search again. Okay, now it's become 4. And also you can delete all at once. This one is not editable. You cannot edit this one. See, cannot type, cannot drag. So this one is only displayed to let the user to ensure those those input are correct. Yeah. And you can make, delete all. If you delete all, as you can see, all the message from Simon will be deleted as well from the database. Okay, also you can delete this one by one. For example, this one, the field data, right? Okay, if I press delete, this one is one by one deleted. Okay, this has been deleted from the database. Okay, so now I want to search by date, for example. Search by date, just copy paste here. For example, I want to show the date, today date. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 message. Let's see if there's 6. Yeah, okay, 6. So we can see all the details here. Yeah, of course we can delete all. So this one will be delete all the message today. Delete all. Okay. Okay. All message has been deleted from the database as well. This one is before refresh, after refresh. Okay. As we can see, the today message has been deleted, and also the assignment also has been deleted. Yeah, I think that's all from us. Thank you.
Okay, so far, let's do a review a bit based on what you guys have done. So far, your templates are good, and you have managed to make all the changes nicely. most of you guys have done the CRUD nicely, and the searching engine and also the login functionality is there. Okay, maybe to a certain level, demonstrating on how admin login and also user login to certain level is also there, right? Okay, the layout, everything looks perfect. Maybe the consistency of the template may not be very complete, may not be completely there, but you guys most of it managed to maintain up to 70%. I think quite okay lah, quite reasonable. Okay, so far quite okay lah, quite good, right? Not bad. Okay, good.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
But
Yeah.
sir, can I add on something? Actually, I forgot to delete.
Can go ahead.
Just a simple function because I forgot to delete.
Sure, go ahead.
To perform the delete function. Just now I only make the create and view on the user side.
Right.
And also create and edit, and I just now forgot to delete. Just press and we all make the double confirmation for the deletion. So we press OK, then the picture is deleted.
Okay, nice.
So we can
Nicely done.
Yeah, also change on the user side.
So do you think this website can be sellable?
Sellable?
Yeah,
Would you like to buy?
Yeah.
We can sell it to you.
We have the price, our minimum price.
Simon asked, sir, so you want to buy, sir?
We can sell it to you, no worries.
Yeah.
No worries,
We can offer you.
All right.
But for me, yeah, I'm satisfied because I can see the consistency, and then in terms of your admin form, so you can maintain your even your HTML elements, and then your CSS type. Okay, much better lah. Okay, and then I like because Simon, you did what we call it. I'm Simon or a display per pages, and then Simon's you did searching, and then you can search, you can delete one by one, or you can delete by group. Okay, so means you can delete all. So something bonus lah for you all. Okay.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay. So thank you for this. Overall, yeah.
Very good.
Very good.
Thank you, Miss Elsa.
Okay.
Okay.
So you work hard actually. So you.
Okay.
You
How
can
was it?
see
Do you
lah.
find it difficult? So do you find it difficult for the class?
Yeah, some part somehow challenging.
Challenging. In which part you find challenging?
Like Mei Hui update picture, but she very good lah.
No.
Able to update the picture. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay, and other things as an overall, what do you think?
So I think when we compile whole the thing together, I found it is very hard because all of us we did it differently, and the CSS also different. So we need to change.
Yeah. I think in order to work as a team, what do you think you should have?
We have to communicate all the time. Like what we updated, then we have to always tell other teammates that we update this part, and then we change again all the program.
Yeah.
So
I
we
think
can keep
communication
the
is very important, right?
Yeah, I think the initiative is also very important. We have to ask if we don't understand, we don't know how to do the part. We have to ask a friend and so on.
But once your team member get it, how to do it, then you can pass to other team member, right?
Yes.
So actually, your teamwork, we can see your teamwork, you can pass each other, and then you can, so far you can compile nicely lah.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah,
it's good enough. It's good.
It's good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you for your all.
Right.
CSV, right? CSV, right?
See you.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Okay, right.
Thank you, sir, and
Okay, bye.
Bye.
I thank all my team members.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Right.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Yang tim satu lagi dalam backup room, saya akan panggil dia keluar kejap.
Okay. Dip, dia punya ni, live ni.
Nak stop kan?
Senang buat